The mountains of the Crystal Valley in the Czech Republic. The birthplace of Bohemian crystal for centuries due to its exceptional natural resources. And now, the starting point of a stunning new design for Regent Seven Seas Prestige. Regent has relied on Preciosa crystal to create stunning chandeliers across our fleet. But now, for Prestige, a new icon of light is being crafted. In collaboration with Studio Dado, light and design merge in a stunning artistic vision. Precision engineering based on timeless craftsmanship. Every piece begins by hand, shaped by artisans who turn raw materials into brilliance, creating a chandelier that will define the soul of this new ship. Rising through 11 decks and wrapped around the grand staircase, reaching skyward towards the stars, hundreds of shimmering crystal rods will create this living constellation of light. More than just a chandelier, it will be the centerpiece of Seven Seas Prestige.